journey and welcome to my cozy kitchen. Today today we're gonna do a bowl. So it's gonna be Nana. Okay, so we have TJ here today. Let's talk to the peoples. Let's talk to the people. Yes, let's tell the people we're gonna eat nice food, okay? Yes, so you heard it. You heard it from him. We're gonna make good food today. So today we're making a quick meal. The only thing that's gonna take long is the chicken fillet, but it's still gonna be a plant bowl for those plant-based, and then a meaty bowl which is gonna have the chicken. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Let me show you the ingredients. You have your bell peppers, a yellow and a red one, some peas, some onion, spinach, black beans, chicken fillets, and couscous. I'm gonna first take the chicken and cut it into strips. Here you can also use tofu, tempeh for those of you guys that are plant-based, or even mushrooms. Alternatively, if you do eat meat, you can also use beef strips. I then season my chicken with black pepper, salt, some barbecue spice. You can also season it with any spice of your choice. It's just up to you. It's your preference, really. I'm gonna use coconut oil to fry my meat today. It has a little bit of a coconut taste to it, so that's what I wanted, and it's also not so fatty. Here also you can add your chili, you can add sauces if you prefer. Just season it as you please. Please excuse my background. TJ is still playing around here. Now once your meat is brown, take it off, clean your pan again, and then put again some oil. We're about to fry the black beans. You don't just fry them for long. I just did the step to add some flavor. I seasoned it the same way I seasoned the chicken. So you just season it as you please, and once you feel like it's fine, you take it off. It's already cooked. You don't need to cook it. This step you can skip if you like raw veggies. I just wanted them slightly soft, so I just fried them for about 2 minutes and also seasoned it with salt and pepper. But for those of you that like raw veggies, you can skip the step and then put the bell peppers just as is in the bowl. And now for the spinach, I prefer to cut it up into small bite sizes. You can use a knife or you can just pull it apart. It's up to you. I prefer bite sizes so that when you eating it, you don't get these long strips of spinach. Here you can also use any other green leafy vegetable. You can use kale or anything that you prefer. You can also skip the step where I just wilted the spinach a little bit because I wanted my bowl warm. So for those of you that like raw veggies, again, you can skip the step and put the spinach or kale or whatever green leafy vegetable you have as is in the bowl. So because I wanted to make a lot of spinach, to make the spinach my dominant veg, I had to do 2 batches of the spinach because spinach shrinks. And yes, so once this step is done, we are done with frying, we are done with everything. It's time to assemble the bowl. So you just basically put all your ingredients in a bowl. That's what makes it so simple and easy. With the couscous, I made my couscous with stock, with vegetable stock. So you can make it with any stock of your choice because it adds such a nice flavor to it. But if you prefer, you can make it plain, but the stock brings so much flavor to it. And there you have it. There's my bowl, my yummy, yummy, yummy bowl. And now what's left is adding the dressing. And here's your mixed bowl. You can use any dressing of your choice. I decided to make my own creamy vinaigrette. So there we are, done with our meal. And this is a very tasty, yummy bowl. Alright guys, we're done for today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.